Question number 75. Oil India Limited, that means OIL, is a public sector undertaking which is engaged in. Oil India Limited is a public sector undertaking which is engaged in exploration, development and production of oil and natural gas and oil transportation. So right option will be E. Next question. A group of stars arranged in a definite shape is called nakshatra. Right option will be B. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for the orange and red colors at sunset and sunrise? Solid particles present in the atmosphere. Right option will be D. सॉलिड पार्टिकल जो एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट होते हैं उससे लाइट स्कैटर करता है, लाइट की स्कैटरिंग होती है। चूँकि ड्यूरिंग सनसेट एंड सनराइज लाइट लार्ज डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करके आती है, और चूँकि रेड कलर का वेवलेंथ जो होता है सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, इसलिए लार्ज डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करके वो पहुंच जाती है और स्काई रेड कलर का दिखाई देता है, रेड कलर अपीयर होता है वहाँ पे। तो सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स के प्रेजेंस की वजह से ही ऐसा हो पाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द थिकनेस ऑफ द ट्रोपोस्फेयर इज मोर एट इक्वेटर। राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी। थिकनेस जो होता है ट्रोपोस्फेयर का वो पोल पे अप्रॉक्स 8 किलोमीटर होता है, जबकि इक्वेटर के पास अप्रॉक्स 18 किलोमीटर होता है। इक्वेटर के पास 18 किलोमीटर होने का कारण ये है, मतलब ज़्यादा हाइट होने का कारण ये है कि यहाँ पे सोलर रेडिएशन डायरेक्ट फॉल करता है, और सोलर रेडिएशन डायरेक्ट फॉल करने की वजह से टेम्परेचर हाई होता है। टेम्परेचर हाई होने से एयर के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है ऊपर राइज करते हैं, राइज करने से ये ज़्यादा हाइट तक जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ट्रोपोस्फेयर का थिकनेस जो हो एक इक्वेटर के पास में ज़्यादा होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द मेट्रोइड्स entering the space burn in which of the following layers? In mesosphere. Right option will be A. Next question. The axis of rotation of the earth makes an angle of approx. The earth's axis of rotation makes an angle of about 66.5 degree with the plane of its orbit around the sun. Right option will be A, 66.5 degree. Next question. How many time zones are there in Russia? 11. Right option will be C. In different countries, the time is not according to any strict rule. Rather, it is determined according to the convenience of the people. France has the largest number of time zones in the world with 12 time zones. There are 9 time zones in America and 11 in Russia. Next question. The international date line passes through Pacific Ocean. Right option will be E. The international date line is an imaginary line that crosses the Pacific Ocean. When the international date line is crossed, the date is shifted by 1 day. Travelers crossing the international date line from west to east gain a day, while those traveling from east to west lose a day. Next question. In what form does the earth receive the sun's radiation heat? In the form of short waves. Right option will be A. Earth receives the sun's radiation in the form of electromagnetic short waves. During the day, Earth absorbs short wave radiation and reflects it back into space at night in the form of long wave radiation, mainly infrared radiation. Next question. Through which of the following countries the equator does not pass? The equator passes through a total of 13 countries. Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome, Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati. Equator passes through Gabon and Somalia but not through Guinea and Rwanda. Does not passes through Guinea and Rwanda. So right option will be 3 and 4. None of the above. E. Next question. Which of the following events would have influenced the evolution of organism? Both continental drift and glacial cycle. Right option will be C. Both 1 and 2. Next question. Which of the following is our active volcano? Cotopaxi, Etna and Fujiyama are active volcanoes. Cotopaxi, Fujiyama, Etna. Aconcagua is of volcanic origin, but it is not itself an active volcano. So 2, 3 and 4, right option will be E, none of the above. Cotopaxi is located in Ecuador on the continent of South America. Etna in Mediterranean Sea on the east coast of Sicily, and Fujiyama in Japan. Next question. A desert is defined as an area where annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeter. Right option will be C. Next question. According to the International Agreement on Agriculture, which financial assistance is included in the green box? According to the International Agreement of Agriculture, financial assistance is given for research, pest and disease control in relation to plant protection, service training, auxiliary services and extension, inspection services, marketing and its promotion service in green box. So, 1 agricultural research and plant protection. Right option will be 1 and 4 D. Next question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Prairies in North America, yes. Pampas is in South America, yes. The steppe is in Europe, yes. Wild is in Australia, no. Wild is in South Africa. So D is not correctly matched. So right option will be D. Next question. The Rio Grande River forms the boundary of. The Rio Grande River separates the southern border of the United States of America from Mexico. So right option will be B, between Mexico and the United States of America. Next question. Who among the following reviews independent regulators in sectors like telecom, insurance, power, etc. in India? Ad hoc committee set up by the parliament, yes. Parliamentary department related standing committees, yes. Finance commission, no. Financial sector legislative reform commission, no. Niti Aayog, no. Only 1 and 2. 1 and 2, right option will be A. Next question. What is the datum line? Datum line is that horizontal line with the help of which the heights and depths of the sea level are measured. So right option will be A, the horizontal line of the sea level from which height and depth are measured. A. Next question. Mahabeli Ganga is a river of Sri Lanka. Right option will be C. Next question. Delta is formed at those places where there is or no deep sea. Right option will be D. Where the river meets the sea, the delta formation will be more affected if the sea is deep. However, several conditions act together to form the delta. Next question. Origin of tea is associated with China. Right option will be D. Next question. Which is the largest island of the Japan? Japan is mainly a group of 4 islands, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. Honshu is the largest of the above 4 islands. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is located on these islands. So right option will be D, Honshu. Next question. What is the correct sequence of the Great Lakes of the United States from east to west? The sequence of Great Lakes located on the border of USA and Canada, Michigan only in US. From east to west is as Ontario, Erie, Huron, Michigan, then Superior. So right option will be C, Ontario, Erie, Huron, Michigan and Superior. Next question. How much has the sea distance between the India and Europe decreased after the Suez Canal was built? After the construction of Suez Canal, the sea distance between India and Europe has decreased by 7,000 kilometers. Before the construction of the Suez Canal, Europeans had to come to India via the Cape of Good Hope route via the west coast of Africa to reach India. Significantly, sea traffic from Suez Canal started in 1869. So right option will be B, 7,000 kilometers. Next question. Which of the following is correct in matching the layers of the atmosphere with the characteristics? All meteorological phenomenon associated with related to troposphere, yes. Ozone layer is in stratosphere, yes. Radio waves reflected towards the Earth's surface from ionosphere. Yes. Dhruv Jyoti, pole light. Pole light is not associated with middle circle. Uh, it is associated with ionosphere. So, four statement is wrong. 1, 2, and 3. Right option will be C. 1, 2, and 3. Next question. Pong Dam has been built on river Beas. Right option will be B. The Pong Dam was built in the year 1975 on the river Beas. It is also known as Pong Reservoir or Maharana Pratap Sagar. In the year 1983, the entire reservoir was declared a wildlife sanctuary by the government of Himachal Pradesh. In the year 1994, the government of India declared it a wetland of national importance. Pong Dam Lake was declared as a Ramsar site in November 2002. Next question. Which state are involved in the Kaveri water dispute? Three states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, and one union territory, Puducherry, are involved in the Kaveri water dispute. The Kaveri water disputes tribunal was constituted by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 4 of the Interstate River Water Disputes Act 1956. So right option will be E, more than one. Next question. The highest mountain peak in Tamil Nadu is Doda Beta. Right option will be A. The highest mountain peak of Tamil Nadu is Doda Beta, which is the peak of the Nilgiris mountains. Apart from Tamil Nadu, some part of this mountain also comes in Karnataka and Kerala. The height of Doda Beta is 2637 meters. Next question. The reason for the formation of the islands of the Lakshadweep is sea rock formation. Right option will be D. There is an organism called coral polyps. Together with an algae, they form a rock-like structure of calcium carbonate, which is called a coral reef. Lakshadweep is also a form of this marine rock formation. Next question. Which river divides the southern plateau region into two parts? Narmada. Right option will be B. Narmada River divides the southern plateau region into two parts. The origin of the Narmada River is the peak of Amarkantak, which is on the Maekal mountain. It is the largest river of peninsular India falling into the Arabian Sea. The Narmada River passes through the Rift Valley. Dhulandhar Fall is on this river. It forms an estuary before falling into the bay. The tributaries of the river Narmada are Tawa, Halan, Banjar, Barna, etc. Next question. The largest reserves of coal in India are located in the valley of Damodar. Right option will be D. The largest reserve of coal is located in Damodar River Valley. About 3/4 of the coal deposits are in this region. These places are Raniganj, Jharia, Giridih, Bokaro, and Karanpura. Coal in India is mainly found in eastern India. Next question. In which of the following states tank irrigation forms the highest percentage of its total irrigated area? Andhra Pradesh. Right option will be A. Most of the irrigation in Andhra Pradesh is done from the pond. Percentage contribution in irrigation through canal 40%, through well 37.8%, through tank 14.5%, and through others 7.7%. Next question. Which is the longest river of South India? Godavari. Right option will be C. The Godavari river system is the largest river system of peninsular India. It is also called the Ganges of the South. Its length is 1465 km. It originates from Trambakeshwar near Nasik in Maharashtra and flows into the Bay of Bengal. Next question. In which of these cities the first steel plant was established? Jamshedpur. In 1907 by Jamshedji Tata. Right option will be C. Next question. Which of the following lake is artificial? Dal Lake is natural lake. Chilka natural. Naukuchia Tal, natural. Jaisamand is an artificial lake. Right option will be C. Jaisamand Lake is a huge reservoir located in the southeast of the Aravalli Range in the south central Rajasthan state of northwestern India. It is the second largest artificial lake in Asia. Next question. Consider the following high yielding varieties of crops in India: Arjun, Jaya, Padma, Sonalika. Which of these are varieties of wheat? Sonalika and Arjun are varieties of wheat. Arjun and Sonalika, varieties of wheat, while Jaya and Padma are of rice. So right option will be 1 and 4, C. Next question. What separates Daman and Diu? Daman and Diu are separated from each other by the Gulf of Khambat. Right option will be B, Gulf of Khambat. Next question. Hajipur is situated on the bank of both Ganga and Gandak. Right option will be E, more than one. Next question. Which of the following clouds is responsible for very heavy rainfall? Cotton rain. Right option will be B. Cotton rain clouds are more extensive and deeper clouds because their vertical height is more. With them, there is a high possibility of rain, lightning, in which there is a very intense rain in a short time. Next question. Air pressure is lowest in. तो एयर प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर के बीच इन्वर्स रिलेशन होता है. जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हाई वहाँ पे प्रेशर लो, जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर लो वहाँ पे प्रेशर हाई. तो प्रेशर लोवेस्ट कहाँ होगा, कब होगा? इन समर सीजन. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द लार्जेस्ट लिग्नाइट डिपॉजिट इन इंडिया इज इन नेवेली ऑफ तमिलनाडु. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. Lignite coal is found in the largest quantity in India in Neyveli region of Tamil Nadu. Lignite is a low-grade coal. Among the varieties of coal, anthracite is considered to be the best quality coal, which is found in Kashmir. Next question. Which river cuts the equator twice? Congo or Zaire river cuts the equator twice. Right option will be B. The Limpopo River crosses the Tropic of Capricorn twice. Mahi River in India cuts the Tropic of Cancer twice. Next question. Where is the Girnar Hills located? In Gujarat. Right option will be B. Mount Girnar is located in the city of Junagadh in the state of Gujarat. Girnar is a holy pilgrimage place for Jains. The famous Sanskrit inscription Junagadh inscription of Saka Chhatrap Rudra Daman is inscribed in Girnar. Next question. Which one of the following is a north flowing river? Chambal. Right option will be B. Chambal river is a north flowing river. It originates from the Janpav hills near Mau in Madhya Pradesh, which is part of the Vindhya mountain range, and joins the Yamuna near Muradabad in Etawah district of Uttar Pradesh. Next question. The boundaries of Arunachal Pradesh touch which of the following countries? Arunachal Pradesh surrounded by Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, China in the north and northeast, and the plains of Assam in the south. So right option will be Bhutan, China and Myanmar, B. Next question. Which is the deepest landlocked port? Visakhapatnam. Right option will be B. Next question. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Zojila Pass is in Ladakh. Yes. Sipkila Pass is in Himachal Pradesh, not in Uttarakhand. Nathula Pass is in Sikkim. Thangla Pass is in Ladakh, not in Himachal Pradesh. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Right option will be E. None of the above. Next question. Which of the following states does not have any scheduled tribes? In Punjab. Right option will be C. हरियाणा में भी नहीं है, यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ चंडीगढ़ में भी नहीं है, पुडुचेरी में भी नहीं है एंड दिल्ली में भी नहीं है कोई शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब. Next question, in which place of Uttarakhand is the world famous Valley of Flowers located? The Valley of Flowers in the world is located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. The Nanda Devi National Park and the Valley of Flowers are jointly declared a World Heritage Site. Chamoli district, right option will be B. Next question, Barauni Oil Refinery was established in 1964 with the help of Soviet Union. So right option will be C. Next question, which of the following rivers does have its source near Lake Mansarovar? Indus and Satluj, both. C and D, right option will be E. Next question, in India, the number of states touching the sea coast is 9. Right option will be C. The total number of states touching the sea coast in India is 9. These states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Next, which day is called equinox? March 21st and September 22nd. So right option will be C. Equinox is that condition of the earth when the sun's rays fall vertically on the equator and day and night are equal everywhere. On September 22nd and March 21st, day and night are equal all over the earth. This is called autumn equinox and spring equinox respectively. Next question, select the correct positional sequence of the following hills from the quotes given below, increasing from south to north. The correct order of the sequence of hills from south to north is as Satmala Hills of Maharashtra, then Kaimur Hills of Madhya Pradesh and Bihar, Naga Hills of India-Myanmar border, at India-Myanmar border, and then Pir Panjal range of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So first Satmala Hills, second Kaimur Hills, then Naga Hills, then Pir Panjal range. So right option will be B, 1, 2, 4, 3. Next question, which one of the following rivers does not originate in India? तो सतलज ओरिजिनेट करती है तिब्बत के मानसरोवर लेक के पास से, तो जो इंडिया में नहीं है. रवि, चेनाब एंड ब्यास का ओरिजिनेट, ये तीनों रिवर ओरिजिनेट करती है इंडिया में, इंडिया से ही, लेकिन ये इंडिया के बाहर से ओरिजिनेट करती है. सो राइट ऑप्शन जो होगा ए होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सोर्स ऑफ हॉट वाटर इज एट राजगीर. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. Next question, which of the following Indian state does not share its border with Bhutan? 4 states share border with Bhutan: Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Meghalaya does not share a border with Bhutan. So right option will be D. Next question, which of the following mountain peaks lies in India? Kamet. Right option will be C. Kamet mountain is the highest mountain peak after Nanda Devi mountain in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. Kamet is considered to be the part of the Jaskar range, which lies between the Suru river and the upper Karnali river in the north of the Himalayas. Next question, pre-monsoon rain in West Bengal is called tree rain, cherry blossom in Karnataka, tea rain and Kal Baisakhi or nor'wester in West Bengal. So right option will be tea rain and Kal Baisakhi, E, more than one. Next question, where was the first railway and transport university established? In Barodara. Right option will be A. In 2017, for the first time, for the skill and capacity building of human resources, the proposal of the Ministry of Railways to set up the National Rail and Transport University was approved. The National Rail and Transport Institute is India's first and only transport university located in Vadodara, Gujarat. Next question, the steel industry in India requires the import of which of the following? Coking coal. Right option will be C. Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel which meets 55% of India's energy requirement. When cooking coal is heated above 600 degrees Celsius in the absence of air, the synthetic substance formed is called coke. It is needed by the iron and steel industry. Next question, which of the following mountain range is not related to Nepal? तो शिवालिक रेंज इंडिया में है एंड अराकान योमा जो है ये म्यांमार में है. सो मोर देन वन हो जाएगा. राइट ऑप्शन ई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हैवलॉक आइलैंड हैज बीन रीनेम्ड एज स्वराज द्वीप. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. नील आइलैंड एज शहीद आइलैंड एंड रस आइलैंड एज नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस आइलैंड. Next question, the border of Iraq is surrounded by 6 countries. Turkey, Iran, Jordan, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Syria. Right option will be D. Next question, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Faun जो है आल्प्स माउंटेन रेंज में बहने वाली ये विंड है. मिस्ट्रल जो राइन वैली में बहने वाली विंड है. खमसीन जो है इजिप्ट में बहने वाली विंड है. और ये बोरा जो है पोलैंड में नहीं, पोलैंड तो उधर पड़ता है, नॉर्थ साइड में पड़ता है, नॉर्थ सी के पास में पड़ता है. बोरा जो है ये एड्रियाटिक सी में चलने वाली ये विंड सिस्टम है, विंड पैटर्न है. ये एड्रियाटिक सी कहाँ पे पड़ता है? एड्रियाटिक सी जो है इटली एंड बाल्कन पेनिनसुला के बीच में है. सो करेक्टली मैच्ड कौन सा नहीं है? बी, बोरा पोलैंड, ये करेक्टली मैच नहीं है. सो राइट ऑप्शन बी होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच पोर्ट ऑफ जापान इज नोन एज सिल्क पोर्ट? योकोहामा नोन एज द सिल्क पोर्ट ऑफ जापान. इट इज ए सिटी एंड पोर्ट लोकेटेड ऑन द ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ जापान. इट इज क्लोज टू टोक्यो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर फ्लोज फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ? नील रिवर साउथ टू नॉर्थ फ्लो करती है. राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा. डेन्यूब रिवर जो है ये यूरोप की रिवर है. 10 कंट्रीज होकर के फ्लो करती है, 10 कंट्रीज होकर के ये फ्लो करती है. बोल्गा रिवर भी यूरोप की है, यूरोप और रसिया से ये फ्लो करते हुए कैस्पियन सी में जाकर के मिल जाती है बोल्गा रिवर. अमूर रिवर जो है ये रसिया के फार ईस्ट एंड चाइना के नॉर्थ ईस्ट की बॉर्डर बनाती है. ये बॉर्डर पे ही ये फ्लो करती है. मतलब रसिया के फार ईस्ट एंड चाइना के नॉर्थ ईस्ट को बॉर्डर बनाते हुए फ्लो करती है आमूर रिवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मोस्ट एबंडेंट एलिमेंट ऑन द अर्थ क्रस्ट इज सिलिकॉन आफ्टर ऑक्सीजन. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. Silicon is the second most abundant element on Earth after oxygen. And which climate is suitable for rubber cultivation? Equatorial climate. Right option will be A. Rubber plant is basically a crop of equatorial climate. इसके लिए टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस चाहिए और रेनफॉल 150 सेंटीमीटर टू 200 सेंटीमीटर चाहिए. Next question, on which river is the Niagara Falls located? St. Lawrence. Right option will be C. Niagara Falls is a waterfall located on the border of the United States of America and Canada. This waterfall is located on the St. Lawrence River. Niagara Falls is formed in the Niagara River on the international border between Ontario in Canada and New York State in the US. Next question, which of the following planets is called the morning star? Morning star, evening star, twin sister of Earth, Venus. Right option will be B. Next question, Nepha is old name of Arunachal Pradesh. Right option will be A. Nepha means Northeast Frontier Agency. During the reorganization of the state in the year 1972, the region was given the status of Union Territory and was named Arunachal Pradesh. It was given full statehood in the year 1987. Next question, the problem of soil erosion in India is related to which of the following? Vedika agriculture, deforestation, tropical climate. In the area of areas of India where deforestation or vegetation has been destroyed, soil erosion is very high. This is because the roots of trees and plants hold the soil, due to which water and wind cause soil erosion. Shifting agriculture destroys forest and erodes soil. Vedika agriculture is not concerned with the problem of soil erosion. Tropical climate is also not responsible for soil erosion. So right option will be deforestation 2 only, B. Next question, which of the following rivers of the Deccan Plateau flows towards the east? Godavari. Right option will be B. The Godavari river system is the largest river system of peninsular India, which originates from the Deccan Plateau and flows towards the east. The Godavari river originates from Triambakeshwar near Nasik in Maharashtra and falls into the Bay of Bengal. Next question, the Kalahari Desert is situated in. The Kalahari Desert is mainly spread over most of the Botswana and some parts of Namibia, Angola, Zambia, and South Africa. So 1, 2, and 4. Right option will be 1, 2, and 4, E. None of the above. Next question, what type of forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas? Deciduous forest. Right option will be D. Tropical moist deciduous forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas. These forests are found in the peninsula with high rainfall and in the plains of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. These forests are found in abundance in India. These are also called monsoon forests. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये रहा पटना के परफेक्शन IAS के टेस्ट 5 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन। आप बने रहिए इस चैनल के साथ। मिलते हैं किसी दूसरे वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।